Investigators don't have a data problem. They have a time problem. The answers are already in the files, just buried across a dozen systems. Introducing the Data Integration Platform. We're in the data sources of the Data Integration Platform. You can add files, connected databases, or even cloud storage. There are multiple types of databases, SQL and NoSQL based, as well as graph databases. We have a Cosmos DB we will use. You can ingest single cases, queries, or for now we will ingest all. Then we analyze. Behind the scenes, we're pulling out all the entities that were found in the database, as well as all the relationships between those entities. You can confirm or reject every entity, or if they all look great, you can confirm all. You can also auto approve based on the confidence level. Once we're ready, we can complete the review and write all the entities to the graph database. While we're at it, in the Asset Hub, you could add audio, video, PDFs, files, and we're able to pull entities out of the transcript, or you could also translate the transcript and pull entities from that as well. This is an audio file between two suspects. We will import that to the case as well. We can check that extraction. We found a potential match. It will be auto merged because it is actually a perfect match. We'll double check. Also pulled out the relationships from that audio file. We'll confirm them. And write that to the graph as well. Here you can see all the entities and their relationships. You can view the map, zoom in, to all the different locations, charts, a full timeline of the case. We also have full RBAC access, role-based access control with the lead, investigator, reviewer, and viewer access, all auditable. You could ask questions in natural language. It'll pull everything tied to what you asked. Full output of all the jobs running behind the scenes, as well as an agent monitor. As I said, has full video recognition, translations, extract text from PDFs. You can pull entities from them as well. Connect anything, review everything. Just ask in your own words.